Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by parking level and chalking wheels to stop movement, safety first. Once secure, put on gloves and eye protection and remove loose debris from the board joints. Next, locate retaining pins and latches. You'll free the easiest one first to relieve tension. Use a 13mm wrench or pliers to back out nuts. If pins are tight, tap them with a rubber mallet to loosen. Once a single pin retreats, the board will begin to drop slightly, making the next steps easier. You'll tackle stuck boards by applying penetrating oil to each corroded pin and letting it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Patience pays. Then, work pins alternately, free one side a little, then the other, so the board moves evenly and doesn't bind. If a pivot won't budge, position a pry bar at the hinge edge and gently lever while someone supports the board. If necessary, apply controlled heat to the pin only, but make sure there's no nearby fuel or plastic that could melt. You finish by lifting the board evenly with a partner. Keep fingers clear of hinge gaps and set the board on a padded surface to prevent damage. Next, inspect brackets and pins for wear, replace any bent or fractured hardware, and lubricate pivot points with grease to prevent future seizure. If a pin snaps, stop and cut it flush, then remove the stub with an extractor or drill. Make sure you wear a face shield and follow safe cutting practices so you don't create new hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.